Martha with Martha's Creative Life. Welcome back. This is the channel where we get to learn and be creative together. This is the Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop for September 2022. Hopefully you've already gotten yours by now. I am a little bit late. It's like, what, the 9th of October already. So I'm a little late getting to it, but hopefully you've had a chance to open up yours. But I'm excited to see what's in mine because I have no idea. So I've already cut it off camera. So let's go ahead and get it open. Alright, so it says Life is Sweet, September 2022. So let's see what's on the back. So they always have a promo code for you, and the promo codes are always really neat to look at. So they've got 30% off of pins and needles at Fat Quarter Shop. And what's nice is it's good until November the 20th. They always have a card in here as well. Tells you everything about what's in here. So let's talk about that in a minute. Let's go ahead and open up and see what else is in. We've got a seam ripper. This is really neat. Love the color. It matches this, matches the box. That's really nice. I like that. All right, the next thing we have is called a thimble pad. It works like a thimble, feels like a dream. It's actually made out of real leather. It's strong and flexible. So there are 12 of them in there. So you're supposed to be able to put them on your finger. And so that's good for when you're doing hand sewing. Okay, very nice. Okay. Put that here. This is nice. This is a magnetic seam guide. Very, very nice. I like that. That's going to be fun to try. So it'll go on the side of your machine and help you guide you when you're doing your seams. I love that. The next one is the Sweet as Honey quilt pattern. So this finishes at 38 inches by 49.5 inches. That's super pretty. You can do a throw quilt or a lap quilt. So they give you two different options there, and they tell you also what backing you'll need and binding and accent fabrics. Very nice. They always have the Bliss Quilt Along, is the quilt along that they're doing now, block number 6. That looks super cute. So that's what that block's gonna look like. I can't share that with you because you can actually go to Fat Quarter Shop if you are not a part of the Sew Sampler subscription. You can go there and actually purchase the blocks. I think, or the patterns are like $4.99 a piece. So if you've missed any, you can go back and buy those. So we're going to take a minute. Let me change up here so we can look at the fabric together. The fabric for this month is by Beverly McCullough for Riley Blake Designs, Sweet as Honey Daisy Fields. So these are 10-inch short stackers, valued at $19.98. There's 18 pieces in this one. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, that looks like beehives. I like that. Well, it is sweet as honey. So that one was in a gold yellow. So we've got one in blue tones, darker blue tones. All right, we got some cute little daisy flowers. That one's nice. That one's got bees on it. It's kind of a cross between a blue and a green. Same fabric, more in the gold color, gold tones. And we've got some gingham in that same gold tone color. Ah, that's pretty. Love the navy blue gingham. We got some polka dots. That's a pretty color. Ooh, so we've got a bigger daisy print here. Yep. Aw, there's the little bees on that one with the flowers. That one's my favorite so far. Oh, that one's even got a little bit of metallic in it. See these right here? Those are like a gold metallic, but very subtle, not like really bright. More daisies. Same metallic that's on this one is on this one as well, but it's a little shiny, but it's not like over the top metallic. They did a good job with that. Aw, Queen Bee, life is sweet. Kind words are like honey. Sweet to the soul. Be brave. All right, we gotta read all these words. I'm really liking this line. So life is sweet, be kind, queen bee, honey bee, quilting bee, be you, be brave. Home is where my honey is. Be your very best self. Be happy. You are the bee's knees. Sweet as can be. Kind words are like honey. Something sweet to the soul. I really like this. Okay, that one's my favorite. Oh, and they did it in the gold tone as well. That one's flipped around. Little tiny bees, but those are again in that metallic, very muted, but they have a little bit of shine to them. And then a lighter color. What do you think? Did you get this sampler box for September? What did you think about yours? Did you like it? So this was a great sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. I can't wait to try out the seam guide. I only have one seam ripper. Sorry, that plastic is kind of loud. Okay, this piece here like goes on tight. There's these little bitty notches. I like that. That feels really good in the hand. Okay, love this. So thank you so much for stopping by today. And if you are just tuning in, please like this video. I'd love to have you as a part of my subscriber family here on YouTube. So hope you're all doing well. Let me know what you think about the Sew Sampler box. Have a great day. Bye-bye.